Okay guys, I've had a lot of questions about how to get to our classwork. So I'm just going to show you a little bit. So this is our home page. If you are on Google Classroom, it takes you to the Stream tab. So here are my tabs at the top. So here's Stream. If I scroll down, you can see all of the announcements I've made. I've tried to put it out into Word on how to find your classwork, but I'm going to show you this video so it's a little bit easier for some of you. So you can see all of my announcements I've put up about Reflex, about Miss Woodruff's video she made on how to insert a picture if you've forgotten. Now I'm going to go to classwork. So I can click on this tab up here where it says classwork. That is where I'm going to find all of the assignments that we have assigned to you for each day. So on the side here it says all topics. It says work for Thursday, work for Wednesday, and work for Tuesday. Okay? If I click on one of these topics, it's going to take me straight to that topic. So it's going to take me straight to work for Tuesday once I click on it. Then I could go work for Wednesday. I could click on that one. It's going to take me straight there. Then I have work for Thursday. It's going to take me straight there. And then I can click all topics and I have all my topics back up there. If I don't want to click on the side on the topics, I can just scroll down and you can see all of your work for each day and it already has each topic there for you. So like for Tuesday, I know lots of you did 1 or 2 assignments, but there are a few more on here that you need to complete. I have a writing assignment, a math assignment, a shared reading assignment, a number talk, our art assignment, and our phonics assignment. This one is due tomorrow. You have 2 days to complete each assignment. And if I scroll up, I can go to work for Wednesday. This is today's work. Okay, we have a number talk, a read aloud, a math lesson, a shared reading lesson, a phonics lesson, a writing lesson, and then our specials lesson for PE today. Up here, on mine it says reading intervention because we have some students that go see Miss Wilkinson or Miss Bell, and they have assigned some work for them to do. So if that is not you, you do not have to worry about that. Just worry about what's on your Google Classroom. Then I have Thursday, which I'm not done with. So by the end of the day for Thursday, you will have more assignments on Thursday. All right. So if I want to go back to the stream where I can see all the announcements I have put on here, I just click stream. You can scroll down and find all of the announcements. We have an announcement from Miss Groomer, some Brain Pop, some Khan Academy links, and those are just the announcements. I have to click on classwork to be able to get to my assignments. I've deleted all of my old classwork, so it should be just the classwork from yesterday, today, and tomorrow on Google Classroom now. If you have any other questions, once I post this video, you can make comments if you have questions. Okay, this should help you figure out where to go, when to find your work. All right. Thank you guys. See ya.